Hey everybody, it is Michael from Azure Tips and Tricks, and I'm just kind of on my way home right now, and I thought that I would make a quick update video since I just put in a dash mount for my camera for the passenger view. But before I do that, I just wanted you to see a friend that has appeared before.
Hey guys, my name is Ren again, and of course I love Azure.
Alright, thank you, Ren. So, as far as the videos go, we're absolutely in process of getting some more videos put up there for you. Always, of course, you can go to the blog post, azuredev.tips, and you can see some of the latest tips that I've been putting out. Again, as far as the videos, you'll see that we started adding some new logos to the tips and tricks page, a new banner. I'm also putting together an Instagram account. There's some also very cool things that's coming that I won't tell you too much about those, but you can look forward to that. You can also see myself and Cecil at Ignite this year. We're going to be presenting on Azure Tips and Tricks Live. That's it. Thank you very much for all of your support, watching, and the support on Twitter, LinkedIn, and everywhere else. So, bye-bye.